think they can beat us.
This is Randy's contribution to the Boondockers Olympics.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh! Are those actually connected? Oh no, it's a removable tray.
Oh, yeah.
Are you happy?
Oh, man, you know what?
You're not going to be able to get out of that, are you? You're not going to want to get out of that, are you?
Where's my cerveza?
Ooh. And you want your cerveza fully dressed?
Yes.
Salt, lime.
Now all I need is that little umbrella back here.
Yeah. Let me go get you one.
You know, and we'll be set.
There you go.
But, okay, you see how easily moved this is?
I didn't realize. I thought you had them all locked together. Look at that. This is my cooktop that I was able to pull out of the understorage and finally start using again. I've had it about 8 or 9 years. Still pretty clean. It's got a little oven here with a broiling pan and a grill rack. Set the grill right there on the top. Grill you some burgers or hot dogs or sausages. Or you can put meat on it and broil it. I like this little gizmo. It goes to a 5-gallon tank right there. And if you're so inclined to do a lot of cooking, you could hook another one up here on this end. I'm going to cook up a little lunch after a while. It's going to have something to do with little smokies and grated cheese, fried potatoes, and chili. I think people might call them chili cheese fries, but we'll see. Our table setup is a bit of a community effort. This table here on the end, which telescopes and raises up to bar height, is Dory's, who's camped here. The other table over here is Ross's banquet table, and that is well used. It ends up at every community campfire. But he cleaned it up and brought it over here, and we set up my outdoor stove on it. With this outdoor stove, we've cooked a few outdoor meals. Nothing big like the big family meals at night. Just a little lunch from time to time. I don't know if you saw this earlier, but look what's happening here in the desert. It's February the 14th, Valentine's Day, and the trees are budding out. That's a cloudy sky. It was supposed to be raining today, but we've been spared one more day. This tree here is a cottonwood. It's a lone cottonwood standing in the middle of this gravel parking lot. I'm anxious to see it bud out too. Can you see the buds there on the very end? It's going to be green before much longer. Now look at this side of the sky. Isn't that just gorgeous? That's his license plate on the front. 150 OBO. Read between the lines.
What you doing, Gunther?
I should have come over earlier to ask if I can watch you unfold this thing.
Also, if I want to, but I just leave it. And then these.
So it's not just that it folds in half in the middle, everything else folds. The petals fold out,
The pedals fold. This one folds.
And then the handlebar
one-
folds down.
This one folds down, and I can. Well, this is at the lowest point, but you know, for taller people, you bring it up, and this one you can also adjust for.
And the wheels are what, 16 inch? They 16-inch wheels or 20?
20.
20 by 4.
We're cooking outside. Fried potatoes and an empty pot. There's some shredded cheese over there under the tent. But right now it's just fried potatoes and an empty pot. Chip salsa and what's Dory making? Bloody Marys. Isn't that right, Dory?
Yes, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Hi, birthday girl.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're so
I'm
sweet.
60 today.
No, you are not. She said 16, folks. She said 16.
29.
And hello, Mike.
Hello there, sir. How are we doing today?
Good.
Good. Have you met Mike?
Nope, I haven't. Well, kind of about 10 seconds ago.
we said hi.
Hi.
Hi, Carolyn.
Hi.
I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. I follow your channel.
Thank you.
The potatoes turned into little sausages, and the empty pot became chili. So, what does that sound like to you, Ross?
Delicious.
Oh, okay. Where is she going? Come back. Bex, come back. Come back. Come back, Bex. Well, we were wondering if you were going to stop or if you were just going to keep on going.
We're going to keep on going.
But you found a dead end, didn't you?
No, not really.
Oh, you didn't go to the dead end?
She was just like, no. She was like, well, where do we turn around? I said, oh, we can turn around here. We're over.
Come on over. So good to see y'all again. That's Miss Colleen again. She's come back to visit. What is she?
Hold on.
Are y'all adjusted now? Oh, the Valentine ladies with the stud puppy. Okay, so let me know when y'all are ready.
Whenever you are.
Okay. Cheese? Those new shoes for Lily. I haven't seen her in shoes before.